Alright, so welcome back to today's Python challenge, and it's day 23. So today we'll be working with duplicate elements. So if you are given a number of arrays you want to n, we must print out duplicates if we have any duplicates in that array, and else if there's no duplicate, then to print out no duplicates. So go ahead and give this a try and let me know your approach in the comment section. Were you able to do it? Alright, if you're able to do it, so let's go take a look at it and give it a try. So make sure you pause the video and give it a try. And if you don't like the video yet, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So what the first thing we need to do, as usual, we need to collect the size of the array we want to have. So I'm just going to go ahead and say input numbers of elements. Alright, so writing the numbers of elements first. And I'll just strip that to make sure I don't have any excess space. Alright, so next thing I want to do now is collect my array input. I'm going to be using my list, map, just as I've been doing before. Okay, input again. Now I'm going to go ahead and say element. Alright. So again, I use a strip here. Right, so we have that, right? Quite alright. So now I want to create two sets, and what is different between a set and a list. So if you don't know what a set is, you were to watch my video on sets. So a set is just like a list, but immutable, and it's mutable, but you cannot have duplicate elements in a set. And that's the major reason why we are using a set right here. So for num in array, right here. So if num now is same, so we want to say that if this num already exists in our set, that would be the same. We want to add it to the duplicates. Then so I said, so duplicate.add. Alright. So if it is not seen already, which means we've not seen this element before, this element is kind of a new one. We want to go ahead and add it to the scene. Alright, so this is what we are doing. So we just check. So if our duplicate is of an empty set, you just have to go ahead and print. Alright, so we just print show map, and I'll use a map again because we want to perform a string conversion on all of it. So let's just sort this. This is sorted duplicates. So we want to perform this string conversion on all the elements inside this duplicate itself. So let's just maximize this so we can see the code. Well, alright, so this is working quite alright. And otherwise, what do we want to do? Otherwise, what we just want to do is print out no duplicates. Alright, so we have it this way. So let's go ahead and run this code. So enter numbers of element. Now if I go with 5, 1, 3, 4, 3, 5. Alright, so valid literal. Alright, so let's try this again. 5 again. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So what is this? Alright, so here is it. So now we print out the duplicate element we have, which is 2. Alright, and this is quite alright and it's working well. So you can just try this again with another sample code. So let me just say 8 here. I'll say duplicate. And on that again, I'm saying okay, 8 elements here. I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, only 4, 8. So I have 2, 4, 5 duplicate, right? As duplicate. Alright, so that is quite alright and working good. So I'll be the end of today's challenge, day 23. Do well to like this video and give my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Perhaps it's the best for you, because support me. Thank you very much. See you the next time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.